Hi students, welcome to Karthik Chemistry channel. In today's class, I am explaining you construction of hydrogen electrode. Okay, what is the construction of hydrogen electrode? So in the previous classes, I explained you how to measure the single electrode potential by connecting with normal hydrogen electrode or hydrogen electrode. So because hydrogen electrode is a reference electrode, it is a primary reference electrode. We can find out the single electrode potential of any unknown metal by connecting with this hydrogen electrode. Okay, so hydrogen electrode is a primary reference electrode. It is a primary reference electrode. So what is the construction? So see here, it is the diagram. It is the construction of hydrogen electrode. It consists of platinum foil at the bottom. It consists of platinum foil. It is welded with a platinum wire which is connected to the external circuit. Okay, platinum foil. This platinum foil is coated with platinum black for absorbing hydrogen gas. Okay, so this is surrounded with a glass tube. It is surrounded with a glass tube consists of an inlet at the top for passing hydrogen gas. Okay, and this glass tube is put it in another glass tube. It is called outer glass tube. It is inner glass tube. It is outer glass tube. Okay, so the inner glass tube at the bottom has some holes to escape the excess hydrogen gas. To escape the excess hydrogen gas, the inner glass tube at the bottom has some holes. Okay, then there is an equilibrium between H2 gas and the outer glass tube containing electrolyte solution of HCl. There is an equilibrium between H2 gas and HCl solution. Okay, so what is the construction of hydrogen electrode? It consists of platinum foil at the bottom. It is called platinum foil. It is connected with a platinum wire. This platinum foil is welded with a platinum wire which is connected to the external circuit. It is surrounded with a glass tube. Okay, this glass tube at the top is having one inlet, and at the bottom this glass tube is having some holes for escaping excess hydrogen gas. Okay, because from the top we are passing hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas is primarily absorbed by platinum foil, and the excess hydrogen gas is escaped into the outer glass tube containing HCl solution. Okay, so the outer glass tube containing, this is outer glass tube. So this outer glass tube containing HCl solution of 1 molar and the inner glass tube containing hydrogen gas. The excess this inner glass tube totally containing hydrogen gas. The excess hydrogen gas present in the inner glass tube is escaped into the outer glass tube through these holes. Okay, through these holes. So then there is an equilibrium between H2 gas and HCl solution, HCl electrolyte solution. Okay students, so it is the diagram, it is the construction of hydrogen electrode. So see here the matter. So I described this here. It consists of a platinum foil coated with platinum black to absorb hydrogen gas. A platinum wire welded to the foil is sealed through the end of a glass tube. This provides contact with outer circuit. The platinum foil is surrounded by outer glass tube which has an inlet for hydrogen at the top and a number of holes at the bottom for escape of excess hydrogen gas. Okay, the electrode is placed in dilute acid solution having unit hydrogen ion concentration. Hydrogen gas is admitted into the tube at 1 atmospheric pressure. Hydrogen is partially absorbed by platinum foil and the excess hydrogen gas escapes. Okay, an equilibrium is established between absorbed H2 and hydrogen ions in the solution. Okay students, here there is an equilibrium is established between adsorbed hydrogen gas on the platinum foil and HCl solution containing outer glass tube. Okay, so here H2 gas H plus plus 2 electron. H2 gas gives rise to 2H plus 2 electrons. Okay, so by convention the potential of hydrogen electrode, that means the oxidation potential or reduction potential of hydrogen electrode, is arbitrarily fixed as 0. So E naught H2H plus or H2H plus or HH plus is 0 volts. Okay, when it acts as anode, the cell when it acts as anode in the cell, for example, if you want to find out the single electrode potential of any unknown metal, it should be connected to the normal hydrogen electrode. Then the connected electrode acts as cathode, the normal hydrogen electrode acts as anode. Okay, for example, when NHE, normal hydrogen electrode, is connected to the copper electrode, because copper undergo reduction, copper acts as cathode, so the normal hydrogen electrode acts as anode. Okay, so when it acts as anode, so what is the half cell notation? What is the half cell representation? Platinum foil, H2 gas at 1 atmospheric pressure, HCl solution. So these two are separated with slash. Okay, hydrogen gas which is adsorbed by platinum foil, and then electrolyte solution. These two are separated with slash. What is the reaction? H2 gives rise to 2H plus 2 electrons. So these are the reactions at anode and half cell notation. So what is the anodic reaction? H2 gives rise to 2H plus 2 electrons. What is the half cell notation? H2 gas, platinum foil of 1 atmosphere pressure, and HCl of 1 molar electrolyte solution. These two are separated with slash. Okay, so when it acts as cathode, what is the representation of half cell and what is the reaction? So when the normal hydrogen electrode acts as cathode, for example, if you want to find out the single electrode potential of zinc, so zinc acts as anode, so the normal hydrogen electrode acts as cathode. Then while writing the half cell notation at cathode, electrolyte solution should be written first. So here the electrolyte solution is HCl, and what is the metal? H2 gas, which is adsorbed by platinum foil. So HCl of 1 molar, and then H2 gas of 1 atmosphere pressure, platinum foil. These two are separated with slash. Okay, what is the reaction? 2H plus 2 electrons gives rise to H2. Okay students, so it is the construction of hydrogen electrode and what are the half cell reactions and half cell notations at anode and cathode. Okay, so remember here, write down the notations. Construction of hydrogen electrode. Diagram is important. Thank you students, thank you for watching.